In this guide, we're going to be going over all of the brand new codes here in Dress to Impress here on Roblox after the brand new update. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. One thing though, before we do get into this, make sure you guys are typing these codes exactly as shown on screen. They are very case sensitive, so capital letters do matter, spacing does matter. And of course, if there's numbers shown, those matter as well. But essentially, to actually type in these codes, go to this little left-hand section and you're going to see a codes option here. Select it and it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is select this enter code section and type in 2026 baddies just like this. Go ahead and hit redeem and you're going to unlock a bunch of 2026 items. Essentially, just hit click to close and then of course you can go ahead and equip those for your Dress to Impress matches. As of right now, that is the only code that is working, but stay tuned and make sure you're subscribing with all notifications on so you don't miss future videos when we go over future codes. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.